Want to control who can contact you, view your stories, or even find you on Snapchat? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust your Snapchat privacy settings step by step. First, open the Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to the privacy control section. Tap on Contact Me. From the options that appear, select My Friends. This ensures that only people you've added can send you snaps, messages, or calls. If someone who isn't your friend tries to contact you, you'll get a notification and you can choose to add them if you want. Tap the back button to return to the privacy control section. Now, tap on View My Story. Again, select My Friends to make sure only your added friends can see your story post. You can also tap Custom if you want to select specific friends who can view your stories. Tap back once again to return to the settings. Now, tap on See Me in Quick Add. Uncheck Show Me in Quick Add. This prevents your profile from showing up in other users' quick add suggestions, helping you stay more private. And that's it. You've now adjusted your Snapchat privacy setting to control who can contact, view, or find you on the app. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.